Well, now that it's getting dark, come out here and check, see how good the lights and all are working. It seems like I got one light to put in that's not here. But other than that, the dash is fired right up. I gotta get my heater lights in, and where the optional clock would be should light up, but I don't have a clock. As far as everything else, nice and bright. There's one on my nighttime security lamp. Yeah, get that dash finished buttoned up. She'll be on the road. And I'm ready. She's gonna be my daily until my daughter gets her license, then it's hers. All right, and we'll continue on with it.